The last couple of days have been pretty intense for some Central European countries as a serious flood threat took shape. Rain started to fall on Thursday, September 12th, out ahead of a significant wave of cold air. What seemingly began as a harmless stratiform rain shield steadily became a bigger and bigger issue, especially on Friday into Saturday. Today's date is Sunday, September 15th, and rain continues to fall in the exact same places. This specific low pressure system that I'm pointing out right here developed yesterday over Romania, which really helped to drive up the wind speeds and precipitation rates as it swung backward through southwestern Ukraine, southern Poland, and Slovakia. It basically made a complete U-turn, and that's why it's now located over northern Serbia and southern Hungary early Sunday afternoon. On the eastern side of the system, take note of this heavy precipitation making its way through Moldova and Bulgaria. Now back to Central Europe for a moment, this band of heavy rainfall will continue to push westward, allowing for a brief break in the rain at least in parts of Czechia, Slovakia, and Austria through this evening. Then all of that rain from Bulgaria and Moldova will repeat the process once more when it surges north and west into Central Europe late tonight into Monday. By early Tuesday morning, just look at how much more rain could add up, especially around Austria and Moldova. Areas shaded in yellow could see upwards of 50 millimeters of rain, with the potential for an additional 100 plus millimeters in the orange and red. Part of the reason why this rainfall event was so severe is because of these two anticyclones, which trapped all this rainfall in the same general area for several days. Now, as we go forward, we're going to see both of those morph into one absolutely immense anticyclone extending from the Atlantic Ocean all the way into Asia. This, of course, will have a substantial impact on our weather pattern for the week ahead, which I'll talk about in much greater detail in the next video. I don't want to leave everyone hanging, so I will give you a brief sneak peek before we conclude this brief report. As most of you probably know, in the Northern Hemisphere, weather systems typically move from west to east. But now with high pressure trying to take over all of Europe and Asia at the same time, the clockwise flow will become strong enough that it will push moisture from the Balkans and Central Europe all the way to Iberia before things switch back to normal by the beginning of next week. This month has definitely kept me very busy with so much to watch, and it looks like it's going to remain that way in the days ahead. I'll be back soon with a new forecast, so until then, thanks for watching.